Alright, still out here working on it. Got some wire and all. I'm deleting all the plugs from when this was a fuel injected machine. A bunch of plugs hanging around, like these big things. I'm deleting them off, deleting the wiring, capping stuff off, soldering stuff, doing stuff, right, looming it, running it where it looks, decent. I still have this rat's nest to get to the distributor. That's and finish looming it. There goes the AC. So I gotta finish wiring and looming that. Doing that. You can see I've got it all off. I even have the power to the choke off. And that's basically what's going on. See, I've got like this wire. This will be deleted and pulled back, and some other stuff. So that's our ticket here to make it all loom. Vacuum hose is nice. Just a lot of little things to do to this little girl. Getting closer. It's looking better. Didn't like it looking all nasty, and well, I don't like the plugs just hanging out either. They can get corrosion in them. So that's what I'm doing. It's 90% on its way to old school, so just a little bit each time. Get it all buttoned up, and we'll be ready to, well, basically we'll be ready to call it good. Anyway, that's my flashlight. Go bye-bye. Can I be a lazy piece of crap and get it with my foot? Oh, I can. I'll be able. I flicked it out enough where I can just go like this. Grab my little rechargeable tactical LED light. Alright. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll keep updates coming. That's the machine. It's the Lincoln machine. It's a little 2-barrel carburetor. Nothing insane here, but a lot faster than it was. Mild cam. So to go over this build, we get the GMHEI distributor. We got some Boss heads off a Boss 302 redone. Slightly oversized valve. I have a cam. It is a bottom end is a 4-bolt main. It's not bored over. It's not bored over. And we do have the aluminum intake with the 2-barrel Autolite electric choke. So that's the build of this little sweetheart, and nothing crazy. We still have some stock stuff, but we've done just enough that it's quite a bit better than it was. And she has a flat tappet cam now, so she does run the 2050 VR1. It loves this Valvoline VR1 2050, and we do have a Hall volume oil pump and a double roller. And so that's the build on this little girl. Just in a nutshell. So yeah, get that new water pump in there. I mean, everything's new, so well, when it was built, it's probably got, I want to say 30,000 miles on this build, but it's been in here a long time, so it doesn't get driven enough. So that's the ticket. We're gonna let you go, and I'm gonna get back to this wiring and everything. It's just kind of monotonous here. A lot of monotonous work with the split loom and all the wire, and yeah. So I don't want to give people monotonous, so we're not doing that. So all right.